Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I have Renee here as a helper today. So, you want to say hi?
Yeah, hi.
So this weekend, we're having a little family get together, not on the 4th of July, but kind of the 4th of July weekend. Also, it's going to be a very special time because my very first nephew will be coming and I will get to meet my very first nephew. Renee actually already got to meet her new cousin when he was born. He's like 2 weeks old now, so that's so exciting. Anyways, we're having this get together and we needed to make a dessert. Autumn's going to be making a blueberry cobbler and I decided that we should also make a low carb dessert. And just a couple days ago, Keto Chow dropped a new flavor. You want to show it?
Yeah.
Turn around.
Blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie. It's a limited edition and they sent me some to try. And I was scrolling through Instagram yesterday and a recipe popped up from Keto Chow from one of their chefs. And it was a no-bake blueberry cheesecake using the new blueberry pie flavor. And I thought it looked so delicious that we are going to give that a try. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I didn't want to make a full cake. I decided that we would make individual no-bake cheesecake cups. So that'll work just nice for portioning and serving. And also we'll get to taste one today after we make it, and we won't have to wait until tomorrow at the get-together to cut it and give it a taste. It's a super simple recipe. 1 pound of cream cheese, which the most important tip that I have for making cheesecakes of any kind is to make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. And you can, of course, do that by setting it out early, or you can do that by putting it in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl for like 10 seconds, stir 10 seconds until you're able to stir it easily with a spatula or a spoon. The worst thing ever when you're making cheesecakes is to get a lumpy cheesecake. It just totally ruins the experience. So you can see our cream cheese here is ready to go. Also heavy whipping cream, some allulose, and some vanilla. And of course, the blueberry pie Keto Chow. And Levi is really excited about us making this recipe too, because it has no eggs. Since it's a no-bake cheesecake, don't need any eggs, and so he will be able to partake as well. Putting our 1 cup of heavy cream into the bowl, and we're gonna get that beaten until it is whipped. Get it whipped until it's whipped.
Yeah. So we're making whipped cream?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're making keto whipped cream. Because there's keto.
No, it doesn't have to say keto to be keto. There are a lot of regular foods that just happen to be keto. All right, we've got some soft peaks there, which is what we're going for. Now we're going to transfer this to the fridge and add in our cream cheese. All right, you want to go put this in the fridge?
Yeah.
See if you can find a spot for it. Adding in the cream cheese. We're gonna get that beaten up real good. Nice and fluffy. Gonna beat until soft and then add the allulose. All right, 1/2 cup of allulose. You wanna put that in, Renee?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Beautiful. And we'll beat that up some more. Do you want to do the thing over here? You do it kind of slowly. Go up to 1.
Wait, there's no 1.
There's no 1? What does it say?
It says 0, 2, 4.
Oh yeah, put it up to 2. They count by 2s on there. All right, now go up to 4. Go up to 6. Keep going. Now we're gonna add in the vanilla. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah, of course. Here, hold this. This is the teaspoon, so I'll just fill it halfway. Ooh, a little extra vanilla won't hurt. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
I love vanilla.
I know, doesn't it smell good?
Yeah. So,
and then our package. Yes. Our package of Keto Chow. Oh my goodness. It smells so good and it's so blue.
Yeah, that's a pretty blue. It's like
it
dusty
is.
blue.
It is like a dusty blue. And it's like kind of a almost purpley blue. like blueberries are supposed to be. You ready?
Yeah.
You dump it in.
Whoa.
Oh, it's so pretty. The color of this is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
All right, so we're
The
gonna.
color of the cheesecake
We're
when
gonna
it's
mix
baked
it
too.
in. Let's see. Beat well until all the keto chow is incorporated.
And can I like put them in the jars?
Yeah, we'll do that together. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It matches my mixer. It's like the periwinkle blue.
Yeah. But that one's a little bit brighter.
Yeah, it's a little more purple. It's a little more purple. When it mixes in with the cream cheese, it's more purple.
Can I scrape the sides with the spatula?
Yeah, here, you try that. Because we've got to get it all incorporated.
Because there's still just the blue on the side.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't know how well the camera picks up the color difference. Okay, let's see.
It smells like blueberries too.
It does. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we gotta go. Can you go get the whipped cream again?
Yeah.
So we're supposed to stir in half of the whipped cream. So we mix in the first half and then we fold in the second half to keep some air in it so it doesn't
I thought you were
lose
putting
too
whipped
much air.
cream like on top of the cakes.
Well, you can do both.
Oh.
Okay, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna mix that in.
Turn it on?
Sure. That's good. All right, I think that's good enough. Now we'll do the rest by hand. There we go.
There's still some white on the side, but
Yeah.
it's fine.
Did you want to taste
Yeah.
this?
Taste it. That tastes delicious.
Good so far. We haven't even added all the whipped cream yet.
Yeah, it still tastes delicious.
Okay, you work on that and I'll fold in this whipped cream.
I'll work on cleaning the thing.
Exactly. Now I'm going to gently fold the rest of this in. And that'll be it. We'll just have to put it in the jars and it'll be ready to throw into the fridge.
Wait, we actually gotta follow them in the fridge.
We're not going to throw them, but it's a figure of speech. Place them gently into the fridge. I hear a lot of smacking over there. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
If you guys want a baked cheesecake with using this blueberry pie keto chow, Two Crazy Ketos did one that looked absolutely incredible. I'll link their video up in the cards. That's what it looks like. Let's get it into the jars. All right, I'm gonna shoot for 6 jars. We'll see how it fills up. I'm gonna attempt using my little tiny ice cream scooper or cookie dough scooper. See if that makes it a little bit easier to get in without too much of a mess. You wanna try it, Renee?
Yeah.
Well, so let's do like 1 scoop in each one and then see how much we have left. And so we put them all in evenly. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so I like squeeze this.
After you get the scoop in there, yeah. There you go. Nice. Another big scoop. So we ended up getting 8 total. And Renee, you did a little taste test by licking the spatula after it was all finished.
Yeah.
And you still think it's pretty good?
Yeah, I think it's delicious.
Delicious. I want it to take a lick here and see what it's like.
It is delicious.
Oh my goodness. It's so good. It tastes like blueberry cobbler or blueberry muffin. It tastes buttery. We didn't put butter in it, and that must be in the flavor. Of course, it's very creamy from the cream and the cream cheese. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It has incredible flavor. Okay, I'm going to put these in the fridge, and then when they are done, we will do an official taste test, and maybe we could get some helpers to help us taste test. And
Like, leave that in
for
the
those
bottom.
that like fresh berries, they can add some fresh berries and some whipped cream on top. Renee is very strange. You want to tell everyone why you're strange?
I don't even know.
It's because you don't like fresh berries. She doesn't like fresh berries. And she doesn't like chunks of berries and things.
I
So when
like
we were making...
blueberries.
You do like fresh blueberries?
I like.
Would you like some blueberries on top of this or just...
No, I don't like blueberries on top of it. I just like them plain.
Oh, okay. You can have yours on the side. And yeah, she likes creamy berry flavored things like yogurt and stuff, but if it has chunks, it's a no-go for her. We're gonna go make room in the fridge for all of these, and then we will be back for the taste test. We all fit? All right.
Yeah.
Here's our taste test panel. You guys ready for this?
Can I have some of yours with strawberries?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Are you ready to try a bite? Oh, don't just eat the whipped cream. You got to get a real true bite, man.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
We already know the whipped cream is good.
Yeah. All right. Here you go. Cheesecake with no... You can hold it. Cheesecake with no eggs.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
What do you think, Renee?
Yummy. It's delicious. I think it's delicious too.
Let me taste your plain one.
It's okay. Huh?
It's so rich. I'm glad I didn't fill the jars more than half full.
With what? Oh.
Cheesecake. Is it so rich?
Can I try?
The flavor is so good.
Can I try, Charity?
Here, try some of Renee's. That is a perfect summer treat, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Mom?
This will be great for tomorrow
Hey,
at,
Mom.
at our barbecue.
Does
Huh?
this have, maybe we could
Yes.
make some for a treat at the beach house, too. That might be.
What?
Izzy says, that's our food.
Yeah, Izzy wants some too.
Yeah, but
She probably does. And the chickens.
I am the kitty.
And the kitty.
Water.
Everybody wants
Kitty's
some.
over there under the chair.
Levi, how many thumbs up do you give this cheesecake? 5? You think it's super yummy or a little bit yummy or not yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. Renee, how many thumbs up?
10.
10. That's pretty good. What about you, Charity?
I think I'll give it 6.5.
6.5 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty good. I'm giving it a 10. It's so delicious.
I think
I
it's
think-
too sweet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we could next time reduce the allulose and have, because there's already sweetener in the keto chow. I'd have to try the blueberry pie flavor as a shake before I really decide. But as far as the flavors I've tasted, the blueberry pie I think is my favorite. The caramel macchiato was really good, but that blueberry pie is so tasty. And it does taste like pie. It does not just taste like blueberry. It tastes like pie. It's delicious. What's the matter?
Izzy was getting through.
Izzy was getting through.
Yeah.
Wow.